Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials. Ask the parent for allergies, emergency contacts, and the feeding/nap routine so you know what to expect. Once done, inspect the room for hazards, move cords and small objects out of reach, and set the monitor where you can hear clearly. Make the first bottle or breastfeeding plan now, lay out a fresh change of clothes and 2 clean diapers. This prevents scrambling later and keeps the baby calm and safe. You now move into active care. Read cues. If the baby roots or fusses, prepare the next feed. If eyes droop, start a soothing routine to encourage sleep. While awake, alternate stimulation and calm. Try 3 short play cycles, then a restful period. This balances development and prevents overtiredness. Make sure to burp after feeds and change diapers as needed, and always keep one hand on the baby during lifts. These routines reduce crying and create predictability for the child. You wrap up by tidying bottles and toys, recording the last feed, diaper, and sleep times so the parent has clear continuity. Once the parent returns, deliver a short, factual handover. Highlight any unusual signs and what soothed or upset the baby. If things go wrong, baby won't settle. Try one key troubleshooting tip. Change one variable at a time. For example, dim lights and gently walk while using white noise for 10 minutes. If no improvement, call.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.